In this module, we will discuss capital structure theory. What is capital structure? Capital structure is a combination of debt and equity. It's about the corporate borrowing. Okay, it has been a puzzle in finance that how much should a firm borrow? Okay, it is a puzzle. For example, should a company borrow 90% and issue equity 10%? Okay, or incur debt 80%? Okay, with equity 20%. Okay, or even borrow 0%, you equity or issue all equity. We don't have a clear-cut answer to these questions. So when you read the book, read the related material, you'll find out we have many different theories that try to explain this capital structure phenomenon. Now, one of the theory, one of the important capital structure theory is called MM theory. It's developed by Modigliani and Miller, two professors, proposed this theory. In essence, what this theory say is say, as long as we meet certain conditions, it makes no difference whether firm borrow or individual shareholder borrow. Basically, say capital structure is irrelevant. So like when let's go back to the saying, if a company borrow 90%, issue 10% equity, or borrow 80%, issue 20% of equity. Those decisions should not affect the value of the company. That's MM theory. And from that theory, we will talk about cost of overall assets, RA. Or sometimes we call this as a weighted average cost of capital. Now, if we apply MM theory here in this formula, it says if we change the capital structure, RA will stay the same. Overall cost of capital will stay the same, or weighted average cost of capital stays the same. Because if weighted average cost of capital change, then the valuation of the company will change. Now we already say, according to MM theory, the capital structure will not affect the value of the company. We will talk about some numerical example, to help us understand what this MM theory is about. In real world, and you do find some very good company that has very high debt, and some other company have relatively lower debt, in terms of percentage of debt and equity, they all perform very well. But we will talk about this when we go to the detail of the chapter material. That's the end of this introduction.